Unit 5 Summary: License Math, Leases, Taxation, Commissions, and Seller's Net. A percentage lease is when the landlord receives a percentage of gross sales or net profits as the rental payment for a property. Monthly percentage rent equals sales times percent sales charged. Rent escalation is a way to determine the dollar amount of a rent increase. New rent equals current rent times 100% plus the escalation rate. A mill rate is equal to 1/10 of 1 cent and is used to state the property tax. The millage rate is the tax rate stated in tenths of a cent. 1 mill equals 0.001 cent. A mill rate of 1 mill per $1,000 equals 0.1%. A 1% tax rate equals 10 mills. Tax equals taxable value divided by 1,000 times mill rate. The tax base is the total tax-assessed value of all real property in a particular jurisdiction. Tax base equals assessed valuations minus exemptions. Tax rate equals tax requirement divided by tax base. Tax base equals tax requirement divided by tax rate. Tax requirement equals tax base times rate. Commission splits determine how much each licensee involved in the sale earns when a property closes. No standard commission split exists. Total commission equals sale price times commission rate. Co-brokerage split equals total commission times listing side or sale side brokerage percent. Agent commission equals brokerage percent times agent percent. Brokerage commission after agent payment equals brokerage percent minus agent payment. Seller's net is the amount that the seller profits, gets to keep in his pocket, after paying the expenses involved in the sale: commission rate, closing costs, and any existing mortgage. Sale price minus sale price times commission percent paid, minus other closing costs, minus loan balance, equals seller's net. The minimum listing price is the lowest amount that the seller can list the property for and still cover all of his expenses, commission, closing costs, and existing mortgage, and make the desired profit. Desired seller's net profit plus loan payoff plus closing costs equals seller's gross profit, divided by seller's percent equals minimum listing price.